Welcome to Collision Repair.
I chose Automotive because it's a great way to learn new things that you haven't learned before.
I chose Collision Repair because I like the shop and there's great people in it, and it's a life skill. Because when you get to have a car, you're gonna want to know how to fix it.
All right. Welcome everybody to Ellis Tech Automotive Collision Repair and Refinishing. My name is Tom Sanuda. I'm the 9th and 10th grade instructor here at the school. Super excited about the opportunity to work with your kids here at the school. It's an industry that I've been in for 35 years, and I've been teaching here at Ellis Tech for 6 years now. So I just want to talk about a few of the career paths that your students will be able to go down. Number one, besides being a collision repair technician, we've had students go into the welding industry. We have some kids working down at Electric Boat, some local establishments here that they're doing welding. Also, we've had some kids going into the sheet metal fabrication industry, working as HVAC technicians, doing duct work, sheet metal bending and fabrication. Also a great occupation. We've had some kids going into the ironworking down at Electric Boat, working on heavy steel. Also, we've had a couple students going into automotive detailing, where they're reconditioning, buffing, polishing cars. Some kids really get into that, and they love that type of atmosphere. Automotive damage appraisers. Some body shops have in-house auto appraisers. Went into working actually for insurance companies as an estimator. So those are just some of the avenues that you can go down when you complete our course here. Some of the certifications that your students will earn here as they progress through our program. We work with ICAR, the Inter-Industry Conference of Automotive Collision Repairs. The first couple of years in 9th or 10th grade, they start off with Pro Level 1, which is all introductory level stuff. They're online modules. They're nationally recognized, so no matter where you go in the country, ICAR is recognized all over the country, and they will travel with you. ICAR is a training program that is continuous throughout your career. So it's a constant learning as cars become more technological. We need technicians that can stay on top of those trends, and that's what ICAR does. So the kids are always on top of the latest happenings in the industry. At Ellis Tech, we take safety very seriously. We have a program called SP2 Safety, where we cover collision repair, safety, pollution control, safe handling of tools and storage. So those are certifications that your students will earn here, and again, SP2 will travel them no matter where they go.
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. McColgan. I'm the department head and head instructor for the 12th and the 11th grade class, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the exploratory night, and what I'd like to talk about will be the curriculum that we're going to do for the 11th and 12th graders. As they come into my class as the 11th graders, they're going to learn about the fundamentals of corrosion protection. They'll go into painting and refinishing, and they'll learn mainly the safety and handling of hazardous materials and how to properly work with them, so it keeps them safe while they're in here working on cars and customer vehicles. As they progress towards their junior year, they're going to have an opportunity to move on to doing some production, and not only that, if they maintain a B average and keep up on their ALEX program, which is the math program that the school provides, they'll also have the opportunity to go out into a work-based learning situation where they can go out into industry if they have a job that they find that they can go into, or the job that I find that they are suitable for, I will place them myself with the parents' permission. As they get into the 12th grade, they do the same thing. They'll come in and they can work almost the whole year. I think it's after January, they can go out on work-based learning, and they'll get to work a couple days during the week, but they pretty much get to go out and work on the work-based learning up to 5 days a week. And they're responsible to make sure that they get their curriculum done along with being outside there. So on that note, we're gonna have you be able to contact me if you have any questions. You can go out to the school website and find my information. If you need, you can contact my partner, Tom Sanuda.
Hi, my name is Ally Guskey. I am a senior in the Collision Repair and Refinishing shop at Ellis Tech. This year I've had the opportunity to go on work-based learning here at Sorrell's Garage. Work-based learning, or WBL, gives me the chance to earn as I learn. The WBL program allows students to guarantee a job in their field after graduation. In the collision repair shop, you will get a wide variety of opportunities. I myself have been focusing on detailing welding and hope to become an underwater welder. The collision repair shop at Alice Tech will teach you everything you need to know when it comes to the bodywork of a vehicle, such as rust repair, dent repair, painting, designing, and detailing. Here are some projects I have worked on.